Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to increase brain power exercises. To do so, you will need two applications. These two applications are Lumosity and Elevate. Well, each application has some differences between the other one. For example, Lumosity will test all these performance like uh, your speed or your memory, attention, flexibility, problem solving in the math and language. So each game you will have to play it to increase a cognitive skill, like we said or like we mentioned, like memory, attention, problem solving, and flexibility, etc. And as you can see, all those games are fun. Also, they are science based, and you can read about the science behind them in this menu here. And you can see the science behind all these games that are fun and also effective to increase your brain power. Also, they have some workouts that are sets of game, so they will choose uh, from these games and they will add them as a workout. And the other application is the Elevate, and it is similar to the other one, but it will uh, test other skills like the writing, speaking, also the reading of the user, and it will have some games that are also fun and scientifically based, so to increase your brain power. Uh, those are the applications that will help you increase your brain power exercises. Thank you for watching and goodbye.